Ever split a dinner bill with friends and end up in a cash scramble? Or maybe you're a freelancer who needs a way to get paid quickly. In today's digital age, traditional banking methods can sometimes feel clunky. That's where mobile payment apps like Cash App come in. But are they true replacements for a bank account? Let's dive deep and see if Cash App is the financial powerhouse it claims to be. Cash App 101, Sending, Receiving, and a Splash of Green. Cash App, at its core, is a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service. Think of it as a digital piggy bank you can access from your phone. You can send and receive money instantly with anyone who has a Cash App account using just their unique username or QR code. Splitting rent with roommates? Paying a friend back for concert tickets? Cash App makes it a breeze. But wait, isn't that what Venmo does too? Yes and no. While both offer P2P transfers, Cash App boasts a feature called Cash for Deposits. This lets you deposit money directly into your Cash App balance from your linked bank account. Now, this deposited money isn't FDIC insured, which we'll discuss later. But it does give Cash App a slight edge in terms of functionality. Expanding the toolset, debits, investments, and a bit of Bitcoin. Cash App doesn't stop at peer-to-peer transactions. You can also get a free debit card linked to your account. This allows you to make purchases at stores and ATMs displaying the Visa logo. Think of it as a physical extension of your Cash App balance, perfect for everyday spending. Feeling a bit adventurous? Cash App lets you invest in a limited selection of stocks and even buy and sell Bitcoin. While this opens doors for potential financial growth, it's important to remember that investing carries risks. So, make sure you understand the market before diving in. Cash App versus traditional banking, apples and oranges? Now, the million-dollar question, can Cash App truly replace a bank account? The answer, like most things in finance, is a nuanced it depends. Cash App excels at specific tasks, splitting bills, quick transfers, and even small-time investing. However, it falls short in some crucial areas. For starters, Cash App doesn't offer features like check writing, bill pay, or international money transfers, which are staples of traditional bank accounts. Security is another concern. While Cash App employs security measures, it lacks the FDIC insurance that protects your deposits in a bank account. This means that if Cash App were to experience a financial issue, your money might not be fully secured. So, who is Cash App for? Cash App shines for young adults, freelancers, and anyone who prioritizes convenience in everyday transactions. It's a fantastic tool for managing smaller sums, splitting costs, and even dipping your toes into the world of investing. However, if you rely on traditional banking features or require robust security for larger deposits, a dedicated bank account is still the way to go. The final verdict, a Cash App companion, not a replacement. Think of Cash App as a complementary tool to your traditional bank account. It streamlines everyday transactions, offers a glimpse into investing, and keeps your finances mobile. However, for long-term savings, bill payments, and the safety net of FDIC insurance, a bank account remains irreplaceable. Cash App can be a valuable addition to your financial toolkit, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Do your research, understand the limitations, and use it strategically to make your financial life a little smoother. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.